our second standard, we have learnt about days, right? The days in week, months in a year, and the number of days in every month. Now, let us try to recall everything one by one. In 1 week, we have 7 days. So it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And in 1 month, there is about 30 to 31 days, whereas in February, there is 28 days, but in the leap year, it will be having 29 days. So likewise, we can distinguish between these different months and their days. And in 1 year, we're going to have 365 days. Right? Yes. If you observe, there is one more method actually in which we can easily find the number of days in each month. So I can remember, using this method, I can remember how many days will be there in the month. Sometimes we may get confused, so whether this month is having 30 days or 31 days. That's why, so there is one method. So let me teach it. What is that? So hold a fist. So the raised part of a fist represents 31 days in a month, whereas the lowered part of a fist represents 30 days in a month. For example, starting from January, then February, then March, April, May, June, July, August. So if you observe, the July and August is having the same number of days, and then September and June is having the same number of days, and then October and May is having the same number of days, and then November and April is also having the same number of days, and March and December. So likewise, with this help, with the fist help, we can know which month is having how many number of days. But in the leap year, as I told you, February has 28 days, but in the leap year, it will be having 29 days. So the year in which February month has 29 days is called the leap year. And this leap year repeats once in 4 years. So this is very important. Now let us look to the calendar and let's see how many days are there. So how the days can be shown in the calendar. If you observe in this calendar, so we are having all those months from January to December, right? From January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Here, so all the weeks are given, right? All those weeks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is given, and then the dates are given. So likewise, the weeks and days can be represented in each month. So this is about the calendar and the months, and we got to know that there is about 12 months, right? Yes. So in the next class, let's see so how many weeks are there in each month.